Good morning, this is Keith Ashley, Director of Development with Tucson Audubon Society, and I'm here today to tell you about the Bird in Place BIOBLITZ, which is my partner Robin and my Birdathon this year. Since we can't get together, she's birding in place in Redondo Beach, California, and I'm doing the same here in Tucson, Arizona. Since we can't join forces live and can't really get out to see as many birds as we'd like to in a single day, we're taking a new approach, which is a BIOBLITZ. Over the course of the next month, we are both endeavoring to identify every single living thing that we share our properties with. And I thought I'd just jump right in today by telling you about a few of the species that I already know, starting off with a few of the ones that are particularly helpful for birds and other wildlife. So here, let's go. Okay, first off here is Perry's penstemon. This is one of my absolute favorites. Of course, the hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies all love it. A really cool thing is that once you get it going in your yard, it just won't stop. You notice how they're taking over the pathway here. I treat them kind of like cows in India, though. Definitely not going to do anything to stop these from blooming. Gooding's verbena is another local native, easy to grow. Both of these are locally native. Butterflies really love this. They can sit easily on these sort of wide groups of flowers. This really cool plant is snapdragon vine, also locally native, though maybe from a higher elevation. I love the way that it's shading the soil here for my kumquat. Even the kumquat is good for some insects. The great swallowtail likes to lay its eggs here, so it's a larval food source. Bee brush, Aloysia gratissima. I think that's the only plant for which I know the Latin name. Absolute favorite of lesser goldfinch, and they're constantly landing in here to eat the seeds. It seems like maybe they eat the flowers as well. Let's see, what else do we have here that I can tell you about? I did get these poppies growing finally. It took a while, but here they are, just opening up for the day. Bees also like them. In fact, there's a little bee, I don't know if you can see it there. You know, this is one of the critters I need to learn to identify. Maybe, I'm not sure, it's one of the native locals. I probably can't see it there. Couple of pond plants here given to me by a Tucson Audubon member. I don't know what they're called, so that's something I need to learn. Here's a last great one, the desert willow, Chalopsis something or other. Actually, I'll have to tell you more about it next time, because I know it has a really interesting biological history closely related to the yellow bells, which is also here. Not blooming yet, but blooms, I guess, starting later in the summer and all through the fall. Desert willow is a favorite of hummingbirds, has beautiful flowers that will hopefully be blooming before my month-long BIOBLITZ is over. If you'd like to learn more about Tucson Audubon's Birdathon that's running April 7 to May 7, please just get in touch with us. TucsonAudubon.org/Birdathon is a pretty good way to go, and we'll see how my first ever iPhone selfie BIOBLITZ Bird in Place handheld home movie came out. Thanks so much. Bye.